When you're wiring a Blue Marlin, first thing to do is, you want to grab below the swivel with your left hand or your right hand, depending on, and you want to pull in the leader up to your body and secure the leader with your left hand, so you're not reaching over the leader and the swivel with the main line. A lot of people will try to grab at the leader, the swivel like this, and a lot of times when the fish takes off, the line will get underneath your arm, and if the line rubs up against your arm, the main line, it'll break. So the first thing to do is, grab your wind on or your swivel of your leader and pull it into your body. And then you want to take 2 wraps every time. And then you want to pull that other wrap back on the leader and then take another couple wraps and then shake this one off and then do it again. So you're continuously pulling like you're pulling on a rope. I think the main mistake people do is they start swiping at the leader like this, and they go to grab it and the fish takes off and the line goes on your arm and the line breaks off. I think that's the most common mistake. To grab the leader or the swivel, below the swivel, and pull it into your body, do 2 wraps, pull it, do 2 more wraps. Never do 3, always do 2. If you do 1, the fish takes off, it's going to slip through your hands. Also proper gloves, gloves with enough padding. You can use light gloves if you're using light leader. If you're heavy mono, 200 pound and up, you got to have some padding. It will crush your hand. That is the main thing. You just have to be smooth. You have to be very careful where the leader is behind you, and you always want somebody to kind of, be behind you, directing the angler. You always communicate with the angler with a rod, or if you have a wind-on leader, tell the angler behind you to crank the slack up. If you don't have a wind-on leader, you need to wind the swivel to tip and keep your rod at a certain angle so that leader doesn't get wrapped around the rod. And it's because when you let go, it could get wrapped around the rod, and that could be bad. Proper wraps, 2 wraps, pulling the leader to you, watch what's behind you. Not 3 wraps, not 1 wrap, 2 wraps.